In the heart of Greenville, Mississippi, there stands a church that has quietly shaped generations. Sacred Heart Catholic Church is more than brick and stained glass. It is a story of faith planted deep in Delta soil. In the early 1900s, missionaries from the Society of the Divine Word arrived in Greenville with a calling to serve where the need was greatest. At a time when opportunities were limited for African American families in the South, they built more than a parish. They built hope. Around 1910, Sacred Heart Catholic School opened its doors. Inside those classrooms, children learned reading and arithmetic, but they also learned dignity, discipline, and faith. For many families, Sacred Heart was not just a school, it was a refuge, a place where young minds were nurtured and futures were imagined. The parish became part of something even larger. In 1920, the missionaries founded St. Augustine Seminary, the first seminary in the United States established to train African American men for the Catholic priesthood. From the Mississippi Delta, a movement of faith was growing. Years passed. Generations graduated. Children became parents. Parents became grandparents. Eventually, leadership of the parish transitioned to the Roman Catholic Diocese of Jackson, but the spirit of Sacred Heart never changed. Through segregation and social change, through joy and hardship, Sacred Heart remained steady, a place of baptisms, weddings, prayers, and quiet strength. Today, its story lives on in the lives it's touched. Sacred Heart is not just part of Greenville's past, it is part of its heart.